All right, Mayori has a question. Mayori says, how does tracking technology work when I am the only one, when I'm only getting 1 to 2 clicks per, was it 2 clicks, from people I know personally?
Oh, that's the problem.
From people you know personally.
That's the problem.
Well, yeah. Wait a minute, hold on. I was like, wait a minute, am I reading that right? Okay.
You are.
Yeah, no. No, Mayori, that is the wrong way of doing affiliate marketing. You don't do that. You do not do that. Nope, Nope. Tell her, Rich.
Okay, tracking technology. There's ways to track your results. You don't want to track things from, you don't want to track your audience of people that you know, like as far as like, you already personally know them, right? What I like to do is when I track my results, and this is the best way to teach you, is like for social media, I like to know where my clicks are coming from, right? More importantly, I like to know where my leads are coming from. So if I'm tracking social media, my links are different when I'm tracking social media versus like, ads, right? Because if I'm tracking ads, it's letting me know where my traffic is converting.
Exactly.
Is my traffic converting from social media, or is my traffic converting from ads? And 9 times out of 10, usually they both convert, right? Because I know what I'm doing. But I'm looking at like, what did convert? So I know like, oh, that video was great. And I know that one's a good video and that's why that's converting, right? Or if I'm running an ad, what ad and what copy did I use for that to convert? Because if I'm just converting from people I know personally, people that you know personally don't really care about what you're doing. They really don't.
No.
Right? We want to look for people who are hungry, have a desire for change.
Yeah.
Have a desire to want to make money.
Yes.
Right? They want to like pay off their mortgage. They want to maybe get a new car because maybe they don't have enough hours at work. Right? We have to think a little bit differently when it comes to our messaging and connecting with people because the only reason why people get started in this industry and want to make money online or become an affiliate marketer or they want to change their lives is because there's something that they're frustrated with themselves about, right? Mm-hmm. It could be not enough money. It could be, they want to travel, right? The list goes on and on. I can go on and on about this.
Yes.
But when we know this stuff, right, we know the type of messaging to put out there, really to connect with. And this is how we know. And then once we start doing this, we're tracking those results and seeing if that messaging is working properly. Right. So if I know that message worked great, I'm going to give more of what my tracking is doing.
Exactly.
So if my tracking is telling me, hey, that's working, that's converting, I'm going to give more of what's working. Why would I waste my time with people that I know personally, right? Because they're really not interested.
Right, exactly.
I'm looking for people who are interested.
Yes.
Right? And I'm going to solve that problem, and I'm going to track that by the content that I'm creating and ads with copy, and I know what's working and not working, so I pull away from what's not working, and I pull into what's working.
Yes.
So if I give more of what they want, I'm going to make more sales.